Floral Leaf Designs by Leah Loudenbach. This is my business, Laurel Leaf Designs, for my CEL Capstone project. To come up with this business design, I started with a brain mapping activity. This helped me figure out what kind of things I like to do and what problems I find important. From there, I formed a how might we statement. How might we be more environmentally conscious with the purchases we make? I then came up with a list of problems that I wanted to solve. The amount of unwanted waste lying on our streets, pollution, and the insufficiency of products that has caused consumers to continue buying products, therefore and eventually creating more waste over time. To combat these problems, I came up with Laurel Leaf Designs. These are logos that I made for the business, and I decided to use the one on the left. It is a shop that sells handmade resin earrings that are fun to wear. Consumers have the ability to make a positive environmental impact because 25% of all the monthly purchases support Friends of the Wissahickon, a local nonprofit that works to restore the Wissahickon Park to its natural beauty. Then, I started finding some examples of jewelry I like, and then I made some sketches of possible earring designs. I worked in the design and fabrication lab in the CEL space and in my house and made the earrings. I made a bunch of different resin pieces and then I went on to wrap wire around them and attach them to earring hooks. And the earrings are made out of resin, a liquid that you can pour into molds and that hardens over time. I put dried flowers and silver leaf in to give the jewelry a nature-like look. Then I came up with multiple prototypes, all targeted towards young people who have an interest in the environment. I was then invited to sell my earrings at the Shop and Stroll in Chestnut Hill, an SCH event, and I made many sales there. This was my display that I had. And then, in order to sell this jewelry, I made an Instagram account where consumers can message the account to order jewelry. Throughout this project, I learned a lot about myself. By working alone, I learned that I am a hard worker and I enjoy making an impact on a natural area that is local to me. I enjoy working towards a final goal and I like to figure out how to make things on my own. Thank you!